Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. NGOs plan to appeal in the court against renewal process of mining leases. Mines and Geology Department receives 10 mining leases for approval. NGOs feel process illegal. Congress MP Francisco Sardin dares Goa government on the dump issue, demands resumption of legal mining and supports Mopa Airport. Blames South Goa politicians of using Mopa issue for political gains. Murgaon minor rape case. Father withdraws indefinite hunger strike. Children's Court asks Goa police to be present before 18th February. Christian brethren observe Ash Wednesday. Ash Wednesday marks the beginning of Lent season. Churchill brothers add firepower ahead of AFC Cup. India captain Sunil Chhetri joins Churchill on loan. Mass Surya Namaskar program on Monday. 14 crore Indians, including thousands of Goan students, to perform sun salutations. Now the news in detail. Mines and Geology Department has placed 10 mining leases for government approval. Petitioner Goa Foundation and environmentalist Ramesh Gaons have termed this renewal as illegal and they are likely to challenge the move in the Supreme Court. Goa government intends to raise 800 crores of rupees from stamp duty through this initiative.
Renewal of mining leases was started by Mines and Geology Department in 2 phases. Total 5 mining leases were renewed by the department after Mine Ministry's approval. On Wednesday, the department has moved 10 files for renewal of mining leases. Goa Foundation is likely to challenge this move, citing the matter pertaining to mining is sub judice and department should not do any process.
The renewal of mining leases असतात ना, हे सरकारान करूंक जाय नासले. सरकारान स्वतः म्हटलेले आसा की इतर काही लीगल असतात, याचा अर्थ बाकीचे इल्लीगल असतात. जोपर्यंत लीगल खंयचे असतात आणि इल्लीगल खंयचे असतात हे जोपर्यंत सरकार सोडून काढिना तोपर्यंत एकय खणवाल्याची मायनिंग लीज असा ती रिन्यू करप ना.
Goa Foundation is likely to file petition in the Supreme Court against the mining lease renewal process. Environmentalist Ramesh Gaons is likely to file RTI application in the Mines Department to get more information with regards to renewal and stamp duty collection. He has also decided to approach the Supreme Court.
सगळ्योच लीजी बेकायदेशीर असा अशा प्रकारचो स्टेटमेंट काल शांतीभूषण प्रशांत भूषणान केल्लो असा. आता जर सगळ्योच लीजी जर बेकायदेशीर असा असो एक स्टेटमेंट जर केल्लो असा आणि जे हायकोर्ट सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या समोर आता तो मॅटर असा, अशा वेळाचेर सरकार जर लोकायुक्त तयार करता जायत, सरकार जर ट्रान्सपरन्सी म्हणटा जायत, सरकार जर झिरो टॉलरन्स फॉर करप्शन म्हणटा जायत, जाल्यार हे सगळे जोपर्यंत भायर येना आणि निकालान येना म्हणजे जशें सुप्रीम कोर्टान हे सगळ्या गजालीच्या बाबतीतलो निकाल दिल्यानंतर खरे कोण खोटे कोणी सिद्ध जाल्या शिवाय कोणाचीच मायनिंग लीज आसा ती रिन्यू करप ना. हो हे जे प्रिन्सिपल आसा, प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ लॉ म्हणटात तशे इन प्रिन्सिपल हे मान्य करूंक जाय आसले आणि लीज रिन्यू करपा खातीर कोणाचीच एप्लिकेशन घेवंक जाय आसली. पण ह्या तरी आसतनाच्या प्रकाराचेर बहुतेक गोवा फाउंडेशन कदाचित एडिशनल एक एफिडेविट फायल करण्याची शक्यता नाकारू नजो.
Government is anticipating nearly 800 crores of revenue in the form of stamp duty. A reporter Mahesh Gadi from Panji.
Congress MP Francisco Sardin has dared Goa government on the dump handling issue. Sardin says government should forget about dumps and hire a reputed advocate for fighting the mining case in the Supreme Court. Sardin opined that legal mining should resume at the earliest. He has criticized leaders from South Goa for using the Mopa Airport issue on the backdrop of Lok Sabha polls.
Because some dumps may be 40 years old, we don't want again to open the Pandora's box. If there are fresh dumps which have been kept there to be transferred to the harbour, fine. But otherwise, if they are old dumps, on some areas they have already planted, others are waiting for plantation, they cannot be touched. That's why we must make sure that we send, or the state government, engages a very good counsel which can argue there and make the Supreme Court understand all those who were in illegal mining, the money should be recovered from them. I am for doubling airport for posterity. But I am looking at Goa 50 years ahead. So that's why if another airport comes in Goa, I am not against. But one thing I want to make it very clear. That should not be punishment for our people from the south. If I have itlo doubt that Daboli Bon Portolo, I will myself lead the morcha.
Father of victim girl at Murgaon withdrew indefinite hunger strike on Wednesday after Children's Court issued notices to the Goa police officials to appear before the court on 18th February. The father of the victim girl has filed a plea before Children's Court demanding arrest of headmistress, class teacher and the clerk for destroying evidence. The rapist is still at large.
Our second request to the court is also to immediately file an FIR and arrest the headmistress, the class teacher and the head clerk, who together destroyed all vital evidence after the rape of this young girl. We have also asked the court to register an FIR and immediately arrest the official of the MPT who had the audacity to carry a draft of 5 lakhs and offer to the father of the victim in order to try to hush up this case.
आमचे दोतोर बाबान बाब एडवोकेट आयरिस रॉड्रिगेज हाणे म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट केला आनीक म्हाकाय बी आमचे इंडियन ज्युडिशरी आनी चिल्ड्रन्स कोर्ट म्हाका जस्टीस मेळटली अशी म्हाका दिसता. त्या कालूच ताणें केस फायल केली, आज रोखडीच तांणे ताब्यातूर ऑर्डर धाडली आनी म्हाकाय बरें दिसलें. आनी सगळे पेरंट्सूय म्हज्या सांगाता आसले आनी सगळे पेरंट्सांनी म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट केला देखून हांव हें हंगर स्ट्रायक परतून घेता.
Ash Wednesday is the first day of Lent season. It marks beginning of this 40-day liturgical period of prayer and fasting. Ash Wednesday derives its name from the practice of placing ashes on the forehead of adherents as a reminder of celebration of human mortality and as a sign of mourning and repentance before God. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.